Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Amanda here with another video. Today's video is going to be something a little different, I guess. I've never really shared anything like this before on my channel. Well, I guess it's kind of like personal thrifting, but I have really gotten into it over this whole summer. I found some amazing things, and that is lawn sales. Some people call them garage sales. And Josh and I absolutely love going garage sailing. We will pick a Saturday afternoon or a Saturday morning, and we will just go and hit up all of the garage sales that we drive past or see signs for. And oh my goodness, guys, like, okay. And the stuff that I got, oh my gosh, mind blown. And I'm gonna show you guys because I urge you to garage sale your butt off. Don't knock it until you try it, because honey, I'm telling you, you are going to be surprised. Now don't worry, I'm not gonna show you every single thing that I got garage sailing, but I did happen to choose all of my top favorite items to show you. I'm sure most of you guys have been garage sailing before. So the first thing that I found is this gorgeous canvas hand painted piece. It's so vibrant and detailed. Those colors are absolutely gorgeous, and it's a cool rectangle shape, and I got this for $1. $1 make you holla. I've also found amazing outdoor decor. I found some beautiful garden statues. I found some beautiful outdoor, like, I guess, wall decor for your fence or the outside of your house. Beautiful, so cheap. Not to mention hair tools. I got a 1-inch barrel curling iron, a hair crimper, a steam curling wand, brand new in the box, which is supposed to be way healthier for your hair, and this cool knotted or knobby curling wand also. This is a bit thinner, but this is gonna give you those like uneven curls. Amazing. And I got all 4 of these for $3. Oh my gosh, and they all work. I am literally freaking out. I'm saving the best for a little later on, because trust me, you're gonna freak too. I also stumbled upon these adorable new Disney plushies. Here's Lady from Lady and the Tramp, absolutely pristine. She's got no stains, no knots in her fur, nothing. Gorgeous. And of course, I've got Marie from the Aristocats, the little kitten baby girl. She got her pink bow. She is also new, pristine, not a stain on her sweet little white body. And she even has an authentic Disney patch on her butt. And I got these 2 for $1. 50 cents each. They're brand spanking new. Like, insane. Another plushie I found is this little pink Victoria's Secret dog. I have wanted one of these for so long, but I either miss when they're having that promotion, or it just doesn't ever happen when I happen to be around. So I found this at a garage sale, and this was only 25 cents, and it has the authentic pink Victoria's Secret little label on the butt. Also, amazing, I seen this bad boy right here. Totally gives me 90s Fresh Prince of Bel-Air vibes. Yeah.
I was born and raised in the playgrounds where I spent most of my days, chilling out, relaxing, all cool and all, shooting some b-ball outside of school. Couple of guys, they were up to no good, started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight, my mom got scared, said, "With your auntie and uncle and all that."
Yes! Mic dropped. Okay, so now we're getting into the more serious amazeballs items. So these two bags here are filled with brand new makeup items. This bag is a little Estee Lauder makeup bag, and in here I have all Lancome face products. So I have high resolution Colliser 5 times. This is an anti-rides. I'm reading the French. Oh my gosh, I'm such a dope. Okay, Amanda, get it together. So in here, a intense collagen anti-wrinkle serum here. There's a few of these. And also a bunch of these advanced skin corrector, wrinkle, pores, and evenness. So that's pretty freaking awesome. These might be samples, but still, they're the big ones, the full-size samples, and they're all high-end skincare. Now this beautiful bag, it's almost as sweet as cherries. This is a Clinique bag, and in here is all the exciting new makeup products. The showstopper. This is a Too Faced melted matte in the shade Queen Bee. Now I was trying so many times to get this, and it was always sold out. And then, oh my gosh, surprise would have it, it was in this makeup bag, brand new, still in the box. I took it out, boom, watch this color. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a nudie kind of mauve color. Oh, I absolutely love it. And it's mine. Are you ready for this? I got both of these bags with everything in it for $5. $5. Like this e.l.f. powder would be the $5. And everything else is like a free gift. Amazing, amazing. Now these last two items are to die for. I literally seen them from the street and I made a beeline straight to them. And they are these gorgeous silver sparkly to the gods stiletto pumps. And to boot, bam, they are Aldo brand. The bottoms are worn, but like, come on, that's probably like 1 or 2 wears. So there's not even any feet prints like inside or toe prints or anything. The labels in there are still in there perfectly. And I got these for $4. These are like brand spanking new. Oh, perfect size. It was like Cinderella when the Prince Charming walks in with the glass slipper and he says, "Let me put these on your feet." And I said, hell yes. And it was a perfect fit, honey. So me and Prince Charming. Anyways, that's extra. These are dope. On the shoe note, there's one more pair of shoes your girl found and fell in love with. And they are these gorgeous, studded, strappy Michael Antonio stiletto heels. They are absolutely stunning. Look at that. They have the geometric shaped heel. Oh, so beautiful. They go up your ankle, the stud detail. Oh my gosh. These I got for $5. They are in almost mint condition. Like markings and stuff on there are almost non-existent. So this last item, which is of course the showstopper, all of us cannot deny that having a high-end fashion piece, whether it be shoes or a purse, not all of us can like walk into Gucci or walk into Chanel and buy a bag. I found this Chanel bag, okay? It has the Chanel logo here on the front on the clasp. It also has Chanel written here on the rivet on the front, both of them, and on the rivets on the back says Chanel. No misspellings there, okay? Then on the zipper charm is the Chanel logo. And on the inside, it also says Chanel made in France. And not to mention, this little zipper on the inside also says Chanel. So if you were to ask me, I would say that either this is like a hella good replica, or this is a Chanel bag. And I got this at the garage sale for $15. And it also has the strap that you can keep like this and double it up, or you can pull the chain through and make it a longer full body kind of strap like that. To be honest, I prefer it pulled through so you can wear it like that on your elbow or have the shorter bag like that. This bag is so beautiful. Your girl found a Chanel bag at a freaking garage sale. Well guys, you let me know what you think. You've seen all of the close-ups. You've seen all of the tea on this bag. You let me know down below what you think. I sort of think that this is legit. I do. I think if there was one in a million, I happened to stumble upon at the right time in the right moment to be that one in a million to find this. Anyways guys, that brings an end to this weird, different, strange garage sale haul favorites. Anyways guys, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the fam. We're growing every single day and I couldn't be happier. And don't forget to follow me on all my socials, because more than likely if you were, you would have seen some sort of sneak peeks on these amazing finds. And you can stay extra up to date with everything going on. And with all of that being said, my beautiful, wonderful fam jam, I will see all of you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.